Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of abstract creative art. Have you ever wondered about the purpose and significance of abstract art? Join us as we explore the unique ways in which abstract art can inspire, provoke thought, and evoke emotions. Get ready to discover the beauty and power of abstract creativity. Let's embark on this artistic journey together. Abstract creative art serves several important purposes. Self-expression. Abstract art allows artists to express their emotions, thoughts, and inner experiences in a non-representational way. By using color, form, texture, and composition, artists can convey feelings and ideas that may be difficult to express through literal representation. Exploration of visual elements. Abstract art focuses on the fundamental elements of art: line, shape, color, texture, and space. By playing with these elements in innovative ways, abstract artists push the boundaries of what art can be and how it can be experienced. Interpretation and meaning-making. While abstract art may not depict recognizable subject matter, it can still evoke responses and meanings in the viewer. Engaging with abstract art requires the viewer to bring their own experiences, interpretations, and emotions to the work, creating a unique and personal connection. Challenging conventions. Abstract art challenges the traditional notions of what art should look like and how it should be experienced. By moving away from representational imagery, abstract art encourages viewers to rethink their preconceptions about art and to consider new ways of perceiving and understanding visual information. Aesthetic appreciation. Abstract art can be appreciated for its inherent aesthetic qualities, such as the harmonious use of color, the dynamic interplay of shapes, or the tactile qualities of the materials used. This appreciation of the formal elements of art can be a source of joy and inspiration for viewers. Universality. Abstract art has the potential to transcend cultural and linguistic barriers, as it does not rely on specific cultural references or narratives. This makes abstract art a powerful means of communication and a way to connect people from diverse backgrounds. Overall, abstract creative art serves as a means of self-expression, formal exploration, interpretation, and aesthetic appreciation, challenging viewers to engage with art in new and thought-provoking ways. Certainly, let me expand on the significance and impact of abstract creative art. Psychological and emotional effects. Abstract art can evoke strong emotional responses in viewers, ranging from feelings of calm and serenity to excitement and unease. By tapping into the subconscious and bypassing literal representation, abstract art can access deeper psychological and emotional realms. This ability to elicit visceral reactions makes abstract art a powerful tool for self-reflection and personal growth. Cognitive and perceptual engagement. Engaging with abstract art requires a different kind of cognitive processing compared to representational art. Viewers must actively interpret the artwork, drawing connections and making meaning from the interplay of visual elements. This process can stimulate critical thinking, problem solving, and the development of new cognitive pathways. Abstract art can also challenge our perceptual assumptions and encourage us to see the world in new ways. Cultural and social impact. Abstract art has played a significant role in the history of art, challenging traditional norms and paving the way for new artistic movements. It has been used as a means of social and political expression, reflecting the zeitgeist of a particular era or culture. Abstract art can also serve as a unifying force, transcending cultural boundaries and fostering cross-cultural dialogue and understanding. Artistic innovation and experimentation. Abstract art has been a driving force behind many artistic innovations, from the development of new painting techniques to the exploration of unconventional materials and mediums. The freedom and openness of abstract art encourage artists to take risks, push boundaries, and challenge the very definition of art. This spirit of experimentation has led to the creation of new artistic forms and the expansion of the creative landscape. Therapeutic and healing applications. The subjective and emotive nature of abstract art has led to its use in various therapeutic and healing contexts. Art therapy, for example, often employs abstract art as a means of self-expression and emotional processing for individuals facing personal or psychological challenges. The non-representational nature of abstract art can provide a safe and accessible way for people to explore their inner experiences and find meaning and healing. In essence, abstract creative art serves as a powerful vehicle for self-expression, cognitive and perceptual exploration, cultural and social impact, artistic innovation, and personal growth and healing. Its enduring appeal and influence within the art world and beyond testify to its profound and multifaceted significance. Absolutely, let me delve deeper into the profound and multifaceted significance of abstract creative art. Philosophical and metaphysical dimensions. Abstract art has the capacity to transcend the purely physical or material aspects of art and engage with deeper philosophical and metaphysical questions. By eschewing literal representation, abstract art can evoke a sense of the sublime, the infinite, or the ineffable, inviting viewers to contemplate the nature of existence, consciousness, and the human experience. This philosophical and spiritual dimension of abstract art has been explored by artists, art theorists, and philosophers alike, contributing to our understanding of the human condition and our place in the universe. Transformative potential. The immersive and transformative power of abstract art can have a profound impact on the viewer's consciousness and perception of the world. By suspending the viewer's reliance on literal interpretation, abstract art can induce altered states of awareness, facilitating a deeper connection with one's inner self and the surrounding environment. This transformative potential of abstract art has been recognized and harnessed in various contexts, such as meditation, contemplation, and even the treatment of certain mental health conditions. Interdisciplinary connections. Abstract art has the capacity to cross-pollinate with other disciplines, such as science, mathematics, music, and even technology. The formal elements and compositional principles of abstract art have been explored and applied in fields like data visualization, architectural design, and digital art, leading to innovative and interdisciplinary collaborations. These interdisciplinary connections not only enrich our understanding of abstract art but also provide new avenues for creative expression and problem-solving. Democratization of art. The non-representational nature of abstract art can make it more accessible and inclusive, as it does not require specialized knowledge or cultural references to appreciate. Abstract art can serve as a bridge between the art world and the broader public, fostering a more democratic engagement with the arts and challenging traditional notions of what constitutes high art. This democratization of art can contribute to the overall cultural enrichment and artistic literacy of a society, empowering individuals to engage with and create art on their own terms. Transcendence of time and space. Abstract art has the potential to transcend the boundaries of time and space, as its non-representational nature can resonate with viewers across different cultural and historical contexts. The timeless and universal appeal of abstract art can foster a sense of shared human experience, connecting individuals from diverse backgrounds and time periods. This ability to transcend temporal and spatial constraints further reinforces the profound impact of abstract creative art on the human condition and its enduring significance in the realm of artistic expression. In summary, the significance of abstract creative art extends far beyond its formal and aesthetic qualities, encompassing philosophical, metaphysical, transformative, interdisciplinary, and democratizing dimensions that continue to captivate and challenge both artists and viewers alike. Certainly, let me delve even deeper into the profound significance and impact of abstract creative art. Neurological and perceptual insights. Advances in neuroscience and cognitive psychology have shed light on the complex neural processes involved in the perception and interpretation of abstract art. Studies have shown that engaging with abstract art can activate different regions of the brain, stimulating cognitive functions such as pattern recognition, emotional processing, and creative thinking. The insights gained from these interdisciplinary explorations can not only enhance our understanding of the human mind and its artistic capacities but also inform the development of new creative and therapeutic applications. Societal and cultural transformation. Abstract art has played a pivotal role in shaping cultural and societal narratives throughout history, often serving as a reflection of the zeitgeist and a catalyst for social change. During periods of political, social, or technological upheaval, abstract art has been utilized as a means of resistance, subversion, and the articulation of alternative worldviews. The disruptive and revolutionary potential of abstract art has the power to challenge entrenched social structures, encourage critical thinking, and inspire collective action towards more equitable and inclusive societies. Ecological and environmental perspectives. In an era of heightened ecological awareness, abstract art has the potential to contribute to our understanding of the natural world and our relationship with the environment. Abstract compositions can evoke the dynamism, complexity, and interconnectedness of natural systems, fostering a deeper appreciation for the beauty and fragility of our planet. Furthermore, the use of sustainable materials and eco-friendly practices in the creation of abstract art can serve as a model for more sustainable creative and artistic endeavors. Therapeutic and holistic well-being. The emotional and psychological impact of abstract art has been increasingly recognized in therapeutic and healthcare contexts, with applications in areas such as art therapy, mindfulness practices, and holistic well-being. The nonverbal and non-representational nature of abstract art can provide a safe and accessible space for individuals to explore their inner worlds, process trauma, and cultivate a sense of personal growth and healing. Furthermore, the integrative and multisensory experience of engaging with abstract art can contribute to the overall well-being of individuals and communities, promoting mental, emotional, and spiritual balance. Existential and ontological explorations. At the most fundamental level, abstract art can be seen as a means of exploring the very nature of existence, reality, and the human experience. By challenging traditional notions of representation and materiality, abstract art invites us to question the boundaries of our perceptions and the underlying structures of our shared reality. This ontological and existential dimension of abstract art can foster deep philosophical contemplation, encouraging us to reconsider our place in the world and our understanding of the human condition. In conclusion, the significance of abstract creative art extends far beyond its aesthetic and formal qualities, intersecting with a wide range of disciplines and contributing to our collective understanding of the human experience, the natural world, and the very fabric of reality itself. Its profound and multifaceted impact continues to inspire and captivate artists, scholars, and individuals alike. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of abstract creative art. We hope that this video has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to appreciate the beauty and depth of abstract art. Remember, the use of abstract creative art lies in its ability to challenge our perceptions, stimulate our imagination, and connect with our emotions in unique and profound ways. Keep exploring the world of abstract art, and let your creativity soar. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.